Sir Alfred Gilbert was born August 12, 1854, died November 4, 1934. He was an English sculptor. He was born in London and studied sculpture under Joseph Boehm, Matthew Noble, Édouard Lantéri and Pierre-Jules Cavelier. His first work of importance was The Kiss of Victory, followed by the trilogy of Perseus Arming, Icarus and Comedy and Tragedy. His most creative years were from the late 1880s to the mid-1890s, when he created celebrated works such as a memorial for the Golden Jubilee of Queen Victoria and the Shaftesbury Memorial Fountain. As well as sculpture, Gilbert explored other techniques such as goldsmithing and damascening. He painted watercolors and drew book illustrations. He was made a member of the Royal Academy of Arts in 1892.